Back home now, former Premier League contenders Faulkland will be hunting their second win in the JFF Tier Two Play-offs when they host Cooper's Pen in Group D action at Jarrett Park on Sunday. Faulkland had a 3-0 win over Russia in the opening game on Wednesday to lead the group on goal difference. Their opponents, Cooper's Pen, are coming off a loss as they were beaten 2-1 by Lucy United.
And going forward for the next game, we decide that we just want to ensure that we stay on the score sheet, and as well, while we stay on the score sheet, we keep in a clean sheet as well.
Meanwhile, Lucy will play away to Russia at Landilo Sports Complex. Elsewhere on the fixture, Vineyard FC will host Cross United in Group C action at Vineyard Community Centre. Axum SC will be at home to King's Football Academy and the Westmoreland Oval in Group B, while York United and Brownstown FC meet at the York Sports Club in Group A. All matches start at 3:30 p.m.